Hello everyone, welcome to my CAD/CAM channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create a 3D model from existing 2D drawing with the help of FreeCAD, Part Design, and Part Workbenches. The FreeCAD tools that I used to solve this exercise are Sketch, Extrude, Sweep, Union, Thickness, Pocket, Hole, and Fillet. There are several ways or steps to create this 3D solid part. Here you find the steps and the tools that I used to convert this 2D drawing into 3D solid part. First, click simply this button to start the FreeCAD workspace. Here you find the dimensions of the bracket. In step 1, we sketch the side view profile of the bracket on XZ plane, and then we create a solid part with the help of Part Workbench Extrude tool. Next, switch from Part Design Workbench to Part Workbench. Activate the Sketch tool and then select the XZ plane. First, sketch roughly the shape of the profile with the polyline tool and dimension it later. Constrain the sketch to reduce the number of dimensions. Select the endpoints of the line and the symmetry axis and then activate the Symmetry tool. Now, assign the dimensions. Let us add a fillet to the corners. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Now, we extrude the sketch from the center in both directions. Select the sketch and activate the Extrude tool and then extrude it in Y direction. Next, we create a solid part by extruding this face by 20 mm in Z direction. Select the option Create Solid. In step 2, we create the embossing with a radius of 10 and length 245 mm. Now, we copy, the first sketch and then modify it to match the length of the embossing. The next task is editing the new sketch. As you see, our sketch is full constrained. Next, we sketch the circular profile with radius of 10 millimeters at the end of the new sketch. To create this sketch, a new plane is required. Select the plane and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the circular sketch and activate the Sweep tool. Next, hide the sketches and then create a fillet with a radius of 3 millimeters at both ends. Now, we merge these two parts with the Union tool. Select both Extrude 1 and Fillet and then activate the Union tool. In Step 3, we change the thickness of the part with the help of Part Design Thickness tool. Switch to Part Design Workbench and then add a new body. Next, move the merged fusion part to the new body. Now, add a fillet of 5 millimeters between the embossing and the lower part. Now, select all faces to remove and then activate the Thickness tool. Set the thickness parameter to millimeters. Don't forget to like and subscribe the video. In Step 4, we remove material from the created part with the help of the Pocket tool. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Extract the reference edges to dimension the new sketch. The sketch is full constrained, then close the sketch. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the length to 50 mm and symmetric. In step 5, we add fillets to the created part according to the drawing. In the last step, we create the holes with a diameter of 20 mm, means we remove material from the top of the created part. For the third hole, you need a sketch. Select the top face and then activate the Sketch tool. Select the sketch and activate the Pocket tool and then set the depth to 5 mm. That is for today. Follow the other videos to learn more about FreeCAD. See you in the next video. Please subscribe, like, and share the video. Thank you for watching.